A good random orbital sander can save you time, reduce hand fatigue, and leave a cleaner finish. Here are 5 models ranked from strongest overall to weakest, and the differences are bigger than they first appear. At number 1 is the Festool. Links to all the products from this review at the best price can be found in the description below the video. For me, this is the most complete professional option here because it combines a larger 6-inch pad with a fairly aggressive 3/16-inch stroke. What really separates it from the others is how much attention Festool puts in control. You get variable speed, constant speed under load, vibration control, a pad brake, and a brushless motor. In practice, that means the sander is designed not only to remove material quickly, but also to stay composed when you use it for longer jobs. Its dust extraction system is also more advanced than the simple dust bags or canisters on several chapter models. But there are trade-offs. At 3.53 pounds, it's not the lightest machine in this comparison, and you get the most from its dust control system when it's connected to an external extractor. Compared with the smaller 5-inch sanders, it's also clearly aimed more at demanding work than casual weekend sanding. If you sand often, work on larger surfaces, or simply want the strongest overall combination of control, material removal, and dust management, this is the one I would look at first. But if you want something simpler and more affordable while keeping variable speed, the next option is interesting. In second place is the Bosch. If this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This one feels like the balanced all-rounder of the group, especially for people who want more control without stepping up to the larger Festool. The big advantage is its variable speed range from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute. That gives you more flexibility than the fixed-speed Makita and DEWALT. Bosch also uses a pad dampening system to reduce swirl marks, while the soft backing pad makes it useful on both flat and slightly contoured surfaces. The microfilter canister handles fine dust, and it can also work with a vacuum. The main limitation is power and weight. Its 2.5 amp motor is lower than the 3 amp motors in the Makita and DEWALT, while its 3.5 pound weight is actually higher than both. And compared with the Festool, its smaller pad and smaller orbit make it less aggressive when you want to cover a lot of surface quickly. For someone who wants one versatile 5-inch sander for furniture, cabinets, and general finishing work, the Bosch makes a lot of sense. But if fast stock removal and low weight matter more than variable speed, the next sander moves in that direction. Third is the Makita, and its character is pretty clear. It's lightweight, simple, and built around a larger 1/8-inch orbit that helps it remove material quickly. You get a 3 amp motor, 12,000 orbits per minute, a rubberized grip, and a pad control system that limits excessive pad speed during startup. At just 2.9 pounds, it's easier to handle than the Bosch and Festool. That lower weight can make a noticeable difference when you're sanding vertical panels or working for longer periods. But this is a single-speed machine. That means you lose the flexibility of slowing the sander down for more delicate work, something both the Festool and Bosch can do. Its included dust bag is convenient, but it's also a simpler dust control solution than a dedicated extractor system. If you want a straightforward sander that feels light in the hand and removes material quickly, the Makita is a strong choice. If you prefer similar power and weight but want better integration with a dust extractor, the DEWALT comes next. The DEWALT takes 4th place. On paper, it looks quite similar to the Makita because both use a 3 amp motor, run at 12,000 orbits per minute, and weigh 2.9 pounds. Where the DEWALT stands out is comfort and dust management. A separate counterweight helps reduce vibration, the short body keeps your hand close to the work surface, and the rubber overmold gives you a secure grip. It can also connect directly to compatible DEWALT dust extractors, which is useful if you already use that system. The drawback is again the lack of variable speed. You're always working at 12,000 orbits per minute, so you have less control for sensitive surfaces. Compared with the Makita, it also gives up some of the aggressive sanding character associated with the Makita's larger listed orbit. This is a good fit if you want a compact, light sander with simple operation and good vacuum compatibility. But if budget-friendly versatility matters more than professional refinement, the final model has one important advantage: variable speed. In 5th place is the SKIL. That ranking does not mean it lacks useful features. In fact, it's the only model outside the top 2 here that gives you variable speed. Its motor is rated at 2.8 amps, and it can reach up to 13,000 orbits per minute. The transparent cyclonic dust container is also practical because you can see when it needs emptying. Counterweight balancing and a soft rubber grip are included to make longer sanding sessions more manageable. The difference appears when you compare overall refinement. The Festool offers a much more advanced professional setup, while the Bosch combines variable speed with better finishing-focused features. The SKIL is also heavier than the Makita and DEWALT, and its dust system is less suited to professional extractor-based work. Still, if you want variable speed and simple onboard dust collection without moving into the more professional options, the SKIL remains worth considering. It works best for users who value flexibility and straightforward operation over maximum refinement. Check the top products using the links in the description below the video to compare the current options. And if this review helped you choose, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more product comparisons.